You're not going to change me, and I'm not going to change you by yelling at each other, by calling each other names, by grouping each other into large categories of people that you might not even be a part of. But I put you there because I have created an enemy that I'm not going to like. And if you disagree with me, you must be a part of that. Live in harmony. The key is not the differences, the issue is how the differences are handled. And let me be clear about this. This is another sentence worth writing down. Truth is not sacrificed on the altar of harmony. In other words, to have harmony with one another, we do not sacrifice, well, I held this to be true, but the Bible tells us to live in unity with each other, so I'm going to give up what I believe to be true. I'm going to sacrifice that on the altar of harmony. No, truth is never sacrificed on the altar of harmony, but personal feelings belong on the altar. Personal feelings belong on the altar. You hurt my feelings. Get over it. Put that on the altar. Your personal feelings are about the least important thing in this whole issue. You made me mad. Get over it. I don't like the way you talk. Get over it. I don't like the way you dress. Get over it. I. Do not be haughty. See, the reason I think this chiasm is an appropriate vehicle here for studying this passage is that Romans 12:16 tells us that unity exists where there is humility. Pride is the enemy of humility. Pride is not believing that I am right. Pride is acting like I am right. That I'm smarter, that I'm better, that I'm more knowledgeable, that I'm, that's what pride is.